Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's health news read by Dr. Qazi Dilwar Hussain from Bangladesh. Now I am discussing about a blood cancer patient and its treatment. A male child named Rafiqul Islam, 10 years, was brought in with chronic myelogenous leukemia stage 2. A large number of glands were affected, which were usually hard for chronic myelogenous leukemia. The boy was febrile and had an enlarged liver and spleen. He was thirstless and edematous face. Prescription week on APIS 200C daily flushing method. Week 2 Screenum 200C daily flushing method. Week 3 to 4 same as week on 2. Glands were less hard. No new glands appeared to be affected, and the periodic fevers were much reduced. Hemoglobin count had risen from 6.5 to 8 milligram per deciliter. Months 2 to 3, same as week on and 2. Child was ephemeral and glands were reduced in size by 25%. Liver and spleen also much reduced in size, but the leukemia blood picture was unchanged. Month 4 to 7. Symphytum 200C and Screenum 200C, alternating weekly daily flushing method. Blood test results were completely normal. Months 8 to 12. Symphytum 200C and Screenum 200C, alternating monthly splint dose method. In this case, a CT scan of the liver and spleen was done every 3 months. The test last two in months 9 and 12 came out completely normal. No sign of enlargement of liver or spleen. For 1 year longer, the child continued to receive the same as months 8 to 12. But in the potency, after that only occasional remedies were given as needed. Remarks. APIS is one of the first remedies to consider when there is edema in the picture. Screenum was prescribed because of the unusual hardness of the affected glands. Symphytum was prescribed rather than Heclalaba because of the history of periodic bouts with inflammation of the joints. For the proper treatment, join us. Dr. Kazi Dilwar, Digital Biopathy Medical College and Hospital. Online appointment 0 on 7 on 2 93 7056 or 0 on 860056 408. Thank you for watching my video. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.